Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment in Colorado. First, you'll want to gather all your essential documents. This includes your social security number, driver's license or state ID, and detailed information from your last 18 months of employment. Having these ready will make the online application process much smoother and quicker. You'll be using the MyUI Plus system, which is the official portal for Colorado unemployment claims. To be eligible for unemployment benefits in Colorado, you must meet specific criteria. Primarily, you need to be unemployed through no fault of your own, meaning you didn't quit without good cause or get fired for misconduct. You also must be physically able and actively available to accept suitable work. Furthermore, you must have earned a minimum amount of wages during your base period, which is typically the first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters, before you filed your claim. Once you've gathered your information and confirmed eligibility, it's time to complete the application. Log into your MyUI Plus account and navigate to the File a New Claim section. Carefully fill out every field, providing accurate details about your past employers, dates of employment, and reasons for separation. It's crucial to be thorough and honest. A typical application takes about 30 to 45 minutes to complete, so set aside enough time to finish it in one sitting. After submitting your application, you will receive a monetary determination detailing your potential weekly benefit amount and the total benefits available. It's vital to certify your eligibility every week to continue receiving payments. This confirms you are still unemployed and actively seeking work. The department may also schedule an interview or request more information, so be sure to respond quickly. Keep an eye on your MyUI Plus account for updates and important messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.